Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading Strategy channel. In this video, we will discuss a 5-minute gold scalping strategy using the Smart Money Concept Indicator and the Price Action Candlestick method. Apart from being applicable to the 5-minute scalping method, this Smart Money Concept trading strategy can also work on all time frames. Therefore, this strategy can be used for daily trading or swing trading as well. You can also apply this 5-minute scalping strategy with the Smart Money Concept to various assets such as forex, cryptocurrencies, gold or XAU USD, stocks, and other assets. So, make sure you don't miss out on this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The 5-minute gold scalping strategy discussed in this video will utilize one of the most popular Smart Money Concept indicators, widely used on TradingView. We will demonstrate how this indicator works in great detail, ensuring that this trading strategy can be used by everyone, including beginners. Let's get started. To use this trading strategy, you can enter TradingView. Then go to the Search Indicator tab. In the search bar, type Smart Money Concepts. Then simply select Smart Money Concepts by Lux Algo. As you can see, there's a lot of information you can gather from this indicator. Starting from real-time internal structure in the form of BOS and chalk. And then there's also real-time swing structure. After that, there's data on the highest and lowest prices. This indicator also provides signals for bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks. If you go into the indicator settings, you'll find even more data that you can adjust. However, to make using this Smart Money Concept indicator easier, let's customize its settings. Now, go to the indicator settings. In this example, we'll only focus on the order block area and market structure, so let's remove some signals from the indicator settings. Remove the checkmark for Show Swing Structure. Then also remove the checkmark for Show Strong. After that, remove the checkmark for Equal High and Low. And finally, remove the checkmark for Auto Threshold. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. After adjusting the settings of this indicator, you'll see a simpler display. This indicator will automatically highlight order block areas in the market. Blue blocks indicate bullish order block areas, while red blocks indicate bearish order block areas. These order block areas will be used as zones to place orders. Then there are also signals for market structure like chalk or change of character and BOS or break of structure. If you see a chalk signal, it indicates a trend change in the market. For example, if you see a green chalk signal, it indicates a trend reversal from bearish to bullish. While if you see a red chalk signal, it indicates a trend reversal from bullish to bearish. Next, you'll see the BOS signal or break of structure. The break of structure signal generally indicates a continuation of the trend. This can occur in both bullish and bearish trends. For example, if during a bullish trend, the price breaks above the previous high forming a new higher high, then a BOS signal will appear. If the BOS signal is green, it usually indicates a continuation of the bullish movement. But if the BOS signal is red, it usually indicates a continuation of the bearish movement. And as a trend guide in the market, you can add one more indicator to serve as a trend guide. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type in MA ribbon. Then simply select MA ribbon R2 by Justunclel. After that, enter the settings of the MA ribbon indicator. In the Input tab, change the length of the fast EMA to 50. Then also change the length of the slow EMA to 200. Then, activate the checkbox for Show EMA Cross Alerts. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. This MA ribbon indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the MA ribbon indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this scenario, your main focus should be finding the best points to place buy orders. Conversely, if the MA ribbon indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. And in this position, your main focus should be finding the best points to place sell orders. To make it easier for you, you can observe the crossing of the EMA 50 and EMA 200. If there's a green bar signal, it indicates the beginning of a change from a bearish trend to a bullish one. Conversely, if there's a red bar signal, it indicates a change from a bullish trend to a bearish one. In this example, we'll use price action in the form of candlestick reversal patterns to place orders. Therefore, you should understand candlestick reversal patterns before using this trading strategy. For instance, you can use candlestick reversal patterns like engulfing, doji, hammer, or others. Now, let's discuss how to use the 5-minute gold scalping strategy using this smart money concept indicator. Here's how to place a buy order. If the MA ribbon is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus should be finding the best points to place buy orders. Next, wait until a green chalk signal appears. Then, wait for a bullish break of structure or a green BOS signal to occur. Wait for the price candlesticks to retest the bullish order block area. Once the price candlesticks have retested the bullish order block area, wait for a rejection in the form of a candlestick reversal pattern. You can wait for candlestick reversal patterns such as engulfing and hammer before placing an order. However, if the candlestick reversal pattern that appears is a doji, wait for the next candlestick. If the next candlestick is bullish, you can place the order. But if the next candlestick is bearish, cancel the order immediately. If all conditions are met, you can place the order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place a stop loss below the bullish order block area. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Here's how to place a sell order. If the MA ribbon is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus should be finding the best points to place sell orders. Next, wait until a red chalk signal appears. Then, wait for a bearish break of structure or a red BOS signal to occur. Wait for the price candlesticks to retest the bearish order block area. Once the price candlesticks have retested the bearish order block area, wait for a rejection in the form of a candlestick reversal pattern. You can wait for candlestick reversal patterns such as engulfing and hammer before placing an order. However, if the candlestick reversal pattern that appears is a doji, wait for the next candlestick. If the next candlestick is bearish, you can place the order. But if the next candlestick is bullish, cancel the order immediately. If all conditions are met, you can place the order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place a stop loss above the bearish order block area. Target the take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gained new knowledge today. That wraps up our discussion for now, and I'll see you in the next video.